Good afternoon. It's June 1st, 2023, and really we're looking at an uptrend today. I don't have a lot marked in this channel, but this was a strong move, so you might take a chance and take any signal bar that looks good, especially you can see up in here, like in this move right here. We'll get to that, but anyway. So you can see it. We're in this channel down. When 5 o'clock comes, we hit that overshoot. But this, yeah, I like this one. I think was this the one I liked? No. I don't think this one. But you might maybe take that. Is that at 5 o'clock? Yeah, that's right at 5 o'clock. So yeah, that was today. I like this one because I don't have this drawn. Because I had my channel drawn like that. It looked a little different earlier, but you could clearly see it break 1, 2 legs up to a new high, and then you get a reversal pattern. So I like this one personally, and the overshoot leads to the break. Come down, make a new low, we go sideways a little bit, and then, so at this point, I'm reading this like a range. So when we come back, test this midline, and you get like a kind of a double test at the midline that's also a second entry short. I like that one. I took this on the simulator, and then you get a lower high. You might argue for this one to be green and this one to be red, but I like both of those. And then we test the overnight lows, and then we just go sideways. And so some weak downward action here. So you can see after we get the move to the new low, we get 2 legs up, and then we get another move down to a new low. You get a break and a leg down, and then just some sideways stuff before it reverses, and you don't get a reversal pattern, unfortunately. You get this trend channel. You get a second entry long, but no setup. Higher low. You're going into the highs though there. You can't take that. Then we get a break, 2 legs up to a new high, and we get a leg of correction. Maybe this 2 legs, it looks like 1 leg to me though. It's like that break, 2 legs down to a new low. And then it reverses, and I don't like this reversal pattern. Too many dojis. But that is a failed second entry short. That is a reversal. And some people must have liked it. So then we reverse and we make it back up to the highs. And you can see we break out to the high side. And this is a really strong move up. You can see we get this overshoot, but it keeps pushing until we get a break. And they probably just trapped a lot of people going short right here before we get a new high of this channel. So maybe you take the higher low right here, because we'll probably test this high up here. And it looks like it stalled. Like maybe we're trying to make another leg down, but it stalls. It's a higher low. That's why I like it. And you do get a failed second entry short right here, but there's a lot of dojis in here, and I'm not too convinced. Plus, that looks like it'd be like the midline right there. So, I had an interruption, but I was talking about this midline. That's why I wouldn't take this reversal. And you can see that's where this one turned down. This swing right here, and you can see that's probably why there was some congestion. I'm guessing that some people had the range up here. And so we go sideways for a bit. Actually, this looks like it's relevant up till here. So we break out, you get a nice move up. First entry, second entry. That's also a breakout pullback. You very well might take this. So yeah, first entry, second entry. This kind of looks like a double top though. So if you would rather take this second entry, that's good. What I did here, because I took this on the simulator, is you're going into a double top, really like a triple top. So I entered on a limit order, and I like that better. Goes sideways before it starts to push higher. And yeah, I don't think you can take this one. That's just the first entry. But then this just had the feel of a strong trend. So maybe you take this one, maybe you take this one, this one. This one probably gets you 4 ticks, and that's don't be greedy. 24. So this probably doesn't get you 4 ticks. Oh, it does. So yeah, don't be greedy in those situations. The ATR was very low today. So you take 4 ticks. So you can see we hit the measured move of the range, and we go sideways a little bit. But the buying was very strong. We make a new high, go a little sideways, get this leg of correction, and then we just reverse on out of there. And really, this is, I was looking at this. So get this breakout, that's the second entry short, but with the bias being so strong up, I wouldn't take that. Then you get a second entry short right here, which looks good, and it's 4 ticks, but I still wouldn't take it, and really this just looks sideways, so you want to wait for more evidence. Then we break up into this range, and we're just going sideways, and yeah, this is a second entry long, but not crazy about that. It's just sideways, clearly into the midline, and break out, keep trending higher, and then it just dies, and you get a nice sell-off. I don't know what happened here, but nice strong sell-off. Maybe you take this one, but that's a break, not a convincing break, but it's a break. Right at the measure move, we go a little bit lower, and then it reverses. And maybe you take this one, this higher low. Looks like there's room back to the EMA there. 22. Yeah, so maybe go for 4 ticks there and take that. And you get this leg of correction. Okay, so I wanted to talk about, see, with the bias today, maybe you take this one. Like why you wouldn't go short here, I think. Was that, or I don't know, right here maybe. So let's mark that. There was something over here. This looks like one leg of correction. So you should expect at least the second leg of correction, not to mention that we're right up near market close, but that's why you might not want to go short here. We already have a break, even though it's not convincing, and a move to a new low, and then you get a leg up. So maybe expect that second leg, and that's why when you get this second entry long and a higher low, nice bullish signal bar, maybe take that. And that probably, buyers probably can't, or taking their profits at the midline of that. So no, it's not the midline, but they're just taking profits. So that's how I saw it today. There's one last look. Hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.